Well, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little something different. We've got a project brewing, and the first part of it came in today. Good old UPS, man, never fails. So I'll open it up and you guys will get the chance to see what we've got going on. And I haven't opened them up yet to check it out, so I'm going to see them for the first time right here. And no, we did not order a box of brown paper. We're going to cast that aside. Have our handy dandy shipping label. Boxes of hardware, it sounds like. Some more boxes of hardware. More brown paper. Oh, happy, happy, joy, joy. We get to put this stuff together. Well, let me tell you what we got here. We got 2 solar panels. And we are going to put together 2 fans for our animals outside in the sheds, because we got to try to cool down the rabbits and the chickens and the ducks and the goats, everybody in the barnyard. We're going to try to cool them down some, and what better way to do it than put an exhaust fan in there. It worked in the old days before everybody had air, so that's what we're going to do. So, looks like we have some building to do before we install. Now, supposedly, these are weatherproof, and the guys we bought them from is Cooler Guys. And here's what the end product is supposed to look like. I really do hope ours look that well, and especially when we get them installed. So, we have the panels, we have the grating, we have all the screws, the connections, solar panels, and check this out. Let me undo this twist tie here. I think this is just so slick. Not the untwisting of the twist tie, but the switch. These guys have an on-off switch. Once you get it set up, you can just turn it on and off. So our rabbits and our chickens and ducks are going to go off grid. Let's see what we have in these boxes. Hopefully 4 fans. I wasn't expecting to have to put these things together, but hey, at least I don't have to put the fan together. I just have to put the gratings on. Now these are small. Like, here's my hand, here's the fan. But they're supposed, between 2 of them, it's supposed to do the job. They are 12 volt. So I assume that you can hook these up to batteries if you wanted to. But the solar panel is going to be basically a battery, because these are going to run as long as the sun is out. And as hot as it is, that's about the only time you're going to need them to run, is when the sun's out. Because when it gets dark, it starts to cool off. You don't want anybody to get chilled. So we're going to unbox everything, put all of our pieces, parts together. There are no instructions, so I assume it's self-explanatory. So, that being said, we will show you how it looks whenever we get everything put together. So this is what your finished unit is going to look like. That's the dual fan. And that's a solar panel.
Alright, first thing is to take the vent cover off where we can put the fan in. This one is stapled, so it's just going to pop right out after working with it. And you can feel the heat coming out of this thing. Next step is going to be to mount the fans. Alright, stop the video. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, this whole pre-made hole wasn't quite big enough, so I'm going to have to sawzall it out to be able to fit the fan in there. So close, but not yet. Once that's cut into place, it's simply a matter of 4 screws that come with the fans. And to plug it up, it's as simple as a male and female end. Plugs in. Unfortunately, we're cloudy and there are no batteries to this system, so it only gets juice when the sun is on it. But it is trying to operate right now even in the clouds, so a little bit more sun and it'll operate just fine.